Hi, I'm Jacob with Upward Broadband. Today I'll be showing you how to file a challenge on the FCC's National Broadband Map. First, let's talk a little about why this is important. In November of 2022, the FCC made the first version of the National Broadband Map available to the public. This map gives insight to the providers and internet speeds that are available at your house or business. Sometimes that information may be incorrect. The FCC is asking for the public's help in ensuring their new broadband availability maps are as accurate as possible. The accuracy of these maps is critical to ensuring that states can access the $42 billion the federal government has set aside for the Broadband Equity Access and Deployment Program. States will be able to use funds through this program to bring reliable, high-speed broadband internet to underserved and unserved areas. That's where you can help. If you discover information about your household or business is incorrect, reporting that error will help improve this map. Here's how to file an availability challenge. First, open your internet browser and type in broadbandmap.gov. Next, enter the address you want to file a challenge for and press enter. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see the address, and below you'll see the information about the internet service providers, type of technology, and speed of internet service available. To file a challenge and correct the data below, click Availability Challenge. Next, select the provider whose information is incorrect. For our example, I'm going to pick a provider at random. To file a formal challenge, you must send challenge information to the provider. Click Send My Challenge to the selected provider. Fill out your contact information with your name and email address. Next, from the drop-down menu, select the option that best matches the challenge you wish to file. Below that, you can provide a comment to help the FCC and provider better understand the issue. If you'd like, you can upload information to help support your challenge. This is helpful, but is not required to submit a challenge. Finally, click the checkbox certifying the information you are reporting is true to the best of your knowledge, and click Submit. That's it. You've filed your first challenge. We at Upward Broadband thank you for your help in improving the accuracy of these maps and helping ensure Pennsylvania can bring high-speed internet to the areas where it's needed most.